a long heritage at USW. We've got a fantastically talented cohort of students. Many of them go on to achieve great things. Studying music at USW, we're based right in the heart of the city centre. Cardiff is one of the only designated cities of music. Our council supports music and has a dynamic programme to help support the creative sector. We're surrounded by music venues. We have a festival called Immersed, which is based right in Cardiff Centre in the Tramshed venue. It's been running for 5 years and it fosters a real breeding ground of collaboration. Music students at USW are a creative, talented bunch. We've had 2 Welsh Music Prize winners come through our courses, the band Adwaith and Boy Azuga. And the students all learn from each other, and many of them form bands here that are successfully running many years after. Music at USW is an opportunity to get into one of the most exciting sectors for your career trajectory. We know students studying with us are going to get hands-on straight into the music world.